Jordan's Messages.
This is my Elmer Fudd hat. Next week I will wear a funny hat too, and you guys can tell me which hat you think is the funniest. Hey Jordan, how many emails do you have sitting in your inbox at messages@blimeycow.com? You guys get upset at me sometimes because I don't answer all of your questions. You're like, well, you didn't answer my question. I have like over 7,000 messages in my inbox. Does that explain it just a little bit for you? So there's this guy I go to school with that I unfollowed on Instagram, and now he wants to know why I unfollowed him. I don't know what to tell him. I really just unfollowed him because I was tired of seeing his post. What do I tell him? This is one of those times when maybe you should just be honest and say, stop taking mirror selfie shirtless pictures, please. Because I'm tired of seeing your abs, your abdominal and pectorals. My older sister, Oliver's birthday is on the 21st of November. It would mean a lot to her if you wished her a happy birthday, or even better, sang her happy birthday. The only movie that I have ever seen that sang the happy birthday song was Dumbo. And after that, everyone got sued. So no, I could not sing you happy birthday on your birthday. I'm sorry. But happy birthday. Jordan, don't listen to what anyone says about this show. Jordan's Messages is the best show ever. Whenever I am bored, I watch like the whole playlist at once, and it never gets old. So, my question is this. Are you going to continue doing messages until you are like 100 years old? That would be awesome. I think that this show would be infinitely more funny if I was an 89 or 90-year-old man who was still answering my 7,000 messages. I'd probably have about 30, 40, 50,000 messages by then, and I would meticulously go through because I would be retired, so I would have nothing better to do. So I would just sit there and turn the camera on, and every day I would post like a 11-hour video of me answering every message. Yes, I will do this until I'm 100. Guys, I've never been a hunter. I've never been a duck hunter. I've never hunted wabbit. I've never hunted anything before, but I have friends who love hunting, and I am willing to go and watch somebody shoot a helpless animal and then watch it suffer and die. I'm willing to do that. I think. Maybe not. Anyways. Don't be messy. And hunt for sustainability. Hunt for food. Not for fun.